I'm going to show you a really great way to play I Can't Stand the Rain on ukulele. I'm going to start out with the first section. We have an A flat 7 and a D flat 7. I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. And what we're going to do in our right hand is alternate between strings 4 and 3 for that pick, and that's the sound of the rain. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4. And it's this rhythm. One more time. Let's make them short and sharp. Practice doing that. So you press down, but then you press up and mute the string in the left hand. Then you want to alternate between strings 4 and 3. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4. Then with fingers 1, 2, and 3, pluck those strings, but also make them short and sharp. Let's go from the top. So the strum for the next section, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The chords will be G flat, and then we slide that up to the 3rd fret, we have an A flat. Next chord is B, then B flat minor, then we have an E flat 7, which is like a D, but move that up to the 3rd fret and add the 1st string 4th fret. And then you go back to the first part that I just taught you. I can't stand the rain. Now let's put that all together with my backing band. I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. Hey, window pane, do you remember how sweet it used to be when we were together? Everything was so grand, and now that we're parted, well, there's a one sound that I just can't stand. I can't stand the rain against my window, 'cause he's not here with me. Hey, window pane, do you remember how sweet it used to be? Alone with a pillow, where his head used to lay. And now I got some sweet memories. I knock a window, you ain't got nothing to say. I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain against my window, 'cause he's not here with me. Rock on.